Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Fear Free Passive Investing, where we help you navigate the world of passive commercial real estate investing so that you can spend time doing what you want and less time worrying about investments. Now, today's Friday, so we're obviously going to be doing our Friday Five. And today's topic is all about how you can stop being poor. All right, now before you start jumping down my throats and criticizing me for making light of anyone's financial decisions, let me explain a little bit. By poor, I mean it's an acronym. Passed over opportunities repeatedly. Stop being poor. It's a mindset shift. It's not anything about your financial situation. In fact, it's completely different than that. However, today I want to make the case that they are correlated because if you're passing over opportunities repeatedly, the likelihood that you are constantly struggling financially is probably pretty high. Now, I don't exactly remember when and where I heard the acronym P.O.O.R, passed over opportunities repeatedly, but it's really stuck in my head for a really long time. And I just thought it would make a good video to talk about how a lot of people right now that I see are being poor. They have that poor mindset because everyone is so down on themselves lately. Take this COVID situation. Everyone is so upset. Everyone's down on themselves. However, there's a subset of people, and my guess is if you're listening to the show, you're probably part of this, and I'm preaching to the choir. But on the off chance that it's not, there's a subset of people that are really trying to make the best of this situation and finding opportunities right now. And there is this other subset of people, the vast majority of people, who are just down on themselves. They're looking at this situation and thinking, "Oh, this is the cause of all of my downside. This is the cause of why I'm upset. This is the cause of why I'm poor, and it's all this virus's fault." Make no mistake, there are huge fortunes being built right now because of this situation right now. So the myth that this virus has something to do with your financial situation is false. I mean, you might have lost your job because of this virus, but that doesn't mean you have to stay in that situation. That doesn't mean you have to be poor and pass over opportunities. You always need to be looking for the opportunities in every situation. Some people are crying, some people are doing. And if you are crying and you have a valid reason for that, and I'm not discounting that at all, look for the opportunities that will allow you to climb out of this situation. There's another myth that wealthy people have always been wealthy and they'll always be wealthy. And poor people have always been poor and they will always be poor. And I totally disagree with that. I think that the wealthy people that have made something for themselves saw opportunities and really jumped on them and made it a big part of what they are about. They jumped on these opportunities, they took advantage of the situation, and they made a lot of money doing so. How is someone like you who is in this situation, who's looking for opportunities, jump on something and make something of it? And I hate to say it, but this podcast isn't going to give you the answers that you're looking for. Everyone's situation is going to be different. Everybody's opportunities are going to be different, but I promise you there are opportunities there if you're looking hard enough. I think people with a poor mindset have this thought process that wealthy people are just got lucky or successful people just got lucky. And there might be some successful people who say they've gotten lucky. But the difference is between those people and other people is that there's opportunities everywhere. It's whether they acted on that and whether they attribute that to luck or their grit or their determination or their consistent action is up to them, right? And I know each and every one of you have the ability to possess that successful mindset and stop being poor. But whether you will all reach that potential or not, that's up to you. And I'm working my hardest to get to that potential. I don't feel like I've reached my potential at all. So, just to wrap up this short show, I just want to encourage everyone to stop being poor, stop having that poor mindset, and really get out there and look for opportunities right now. Because I promise you, right now, and the months following this episode, is going to be some of the best opportunities we've seen in a long time, especially in real estate, but also in business. So I really hope you take advantage of this and make something so that you can build something lasting for you and your family. But if I can be of any help to you in this process, let me know. My contact information will definitely be down in the description or at fearfreepassive.com. Let me know if I can help you. Happy to help in any way. And I look forward to talking with you again very soon. Thanks, everyone.